to decrease home loan EMI. Owning or buying a property or a flat or a home is one of the most important decisions an individual makes in their lives along with their family. Here are the few factors affecting interest on the home loan. Amount of the loan. The higher the amount of loan, the higher is the rate. And if the amount is low, the interest rate is also low. Tenure of the loan. It is advised to select the perfect tenure of the loan because longer tenure means a lower interest rate and vice versa. CIBIL score or credit rating. High financial gain with smart CIBIL and the most deposit will lend you to the loan at a lower interest rate. Repayment capacity. The repayment capacity has a direct impact on your loan amount eligibility. Additional charges. These hidden costs raise the quoted price of the property and the buyer ends up selling out a lot more money than the planned. You can apply for home loan through Dialabank from the link given in the video description. Subscribe to our YouTube channel Dialabank and hit the bell icon for the further notification of our videos.